I want to share these little tags with you today. This box comes with about 50 in a box, all different colors, especially if you like to use tags color-coded for different things. It's very, very handy. It comes in this great carry box. And as you can see, wow, that was quite an open. As you can see, it comes with a great snapping open, all different colors. I've already connected them to some flash drives of mine. Each one has a little ring, and you slide this out. Once you take the ring out, it comes out of here. You take this little plastic cover off, you write what it is on it for yourself, and slide it back, and then put the ring back. By having the ring back, this will never fall out, not that they ever do. And then this hooks on hooks if you need your keys anywhere, or if you use it for keys. In this case, I use them for flash disks. And they're really handy, and you always seem to want one, so getting a box of 50 really makes a lot of sense because you use them way more than you'd think. And then, as you saw earlier, it's got a great tight seal, and it's in a hard plastic container. Very handy. I think these are great.